Hey Pisces, how are you all doing? Welcome to Soulful Intuitive Tarot. We are going to read for you and your person for the rest of the month of October. These are general love readings, so they may or may not resonate with each one of you. Please check out your Sun, Moon, and Risings videos for better clarification and understanding. Keep in mind, roles can be reversed, and cross watchers are welcome. Do like, share, and subscribe to the channel. We'll start your reading now. Pisces, we'll start your reading. What are you feeling now? What are you feeling right now, universe, spirits, and guides? What are my Pisces feeling right now? I don't do reversals, guys. We have the Page of Swords. In your feelings, how do you view your person? How do you view your person? You view them as Hierophant, feeling bonded, kind of. Judgment, how your person's feelings for you is the Judgment. Pisces, how your person views you. Hey, they view you as Five of Wands. We'll clarify all these cards. What are you hoping for in this connection? You're hoping for the Knight of Pentacles, hoping for stability. What is your person hoping for? We have two cards here. We have the Four of Pentacles and the Five of Pentacles. We'll clarify all this. Conflicting energies. What action you plan on taking with this person? What action you plan on taking with this person? We have the Seven of Pentacles. Patiently waiting for something. What action your person plans on taking? Pisces. For the rest of the month of October. Devil. Let's see. What is the outcome of the situation? Universe, spirits, and guides. What is the outcome of the situation which Pisces is involved in? Okay, we'll pull out one card. Outcome is the Seven of Cups. Okay. For the clarification, I'm using this tiny deck. Okay. We'll clarify this Ace of Swords. How you are feeling right now. How is my Pisces feeling right now is the Ace of Swords. Why are they so, what are they looking into? Maybe you're spying or looking into their social media, trying to figure out what they want. Okay, too many cards. We'll clarify. We have two cards, Emperor and the High Priestess. Okay, again, you are trying to use your intuition, and this is your energy, the Emperor energy. You are trying to be very you don't want to do any injustice. That is why you are looking into the situation with a very keen eye of an Emperor. Like, you don't want to do any kind of injustice in this situation. You're going inwards. You're looking looking for clarification, for clarity, and you're taking your time. Like, High Priestess is like focusing, looking into every aspect of the situation, and Emperor is like doesn't want to. They are very like what do you say? Emperor is like, no one should get hurt, or no one should get the injustice out of the situation. You want to be fair and balanced in this situation. Before taking any kind of action further, you want to be very fair towards anyone involved in this situation. Okay, we will see how do you view your person. We have the Hierophant. Maybe this is a marriage which you are dealing with, or a long-term commitment. Okay, well, Hierophant has been clarified with the Oh, Nine of Swords. Yes, we clarify with one more card. Ace of Cups. Okay, some kind of new love offer is coming towards your way, and you are like too much in your head. Nine of Swords is lot of thinking about it. Should I offer take the offer? Uh, but definitely some kind of new offer is coming towards you. It's a cup of a cup, so it is a love romantic offer. Okay, we'll see what are your person's feelings for you. Is the Judgment. What kind of absolution? Something is coming to an end. What is it? Page of Pentacles. He has a key. This some kind of locked situation has to be opened in this connection. Maybe you people are feeling bound, and yes, this is not a very healthy situation here. Page of Pentacles is like trying to study, trying to figure out how to solve it, how to come out of this sticky situation. Okay, how your person views you. How is your person viewing you right now, Pisces? Okay, we have two cards. They are viewing you as the Eight of Pentacles and the Four of Pentacles, Six of Pentacles. Yeah, they also like they want to work things out. Eight of Pentacles is like uh, Five of Wands is lot of conflict and bickering and arguments going on in the situation, and they are trying hard to work out, but they don't see any outcome coming out of it. But still, they want to work this out. Lot of conflict. Six of Pentacles, they don't think there's a equal give and take. They are investing, or you are investing too much in the situation, but not getting the results. That is the conflict here. Okay, we will clarify the King of Pentacles for your hopes. Universe, spirits and guides, what are Pisces hopes? Page of Swords, want clarity again. Page of Swords is twice in this reading. Two of Wands, trying to make a decision which is fair for both the sides, and waiting, not hasting the decision, looking into all aspects, taking your sweet time so that no one is hurt. Pisces are very considerate, they don't want to hurt anyone. Okay, we have two cards for what is your person hoping for. Three cards actually. It is a Magician, then we have the Four of Cups, and we have the Hermit. Okay, they are not taking any action, but they are manifesting some love. They are manifesting their happiness. These are again Five of Pentacles and Four of Pentacles. Like Four of Cups is also not looking into anything, no any offer, nothing. Hierophant going within, they are in isolation. You people are not talking to each other. Five of Pentacles, and yes, feeling out in the cold. Definitely, you people are not talking in this situation. You people are living in different places maybe, and okay, we have Seven of Pentacles for what action you plan on taking with this person. What action Pisces plans on taking with this person is Seven of Pentacles. Is wish fulfillment, Star card. Then we have the Five of Swords again. You just want peaceful resolution, but Five of Swords is very like you feel betrayed in this situation, backstabbed. Can you see? And you just want you don't want things to come back to normal, but You are waiting for a some miracle to happen so that you can come out of this situation by itself. You don't, sorry, sorry about that. You don't, you are like Seven of Pentacles, may like right now you don't want to take an action, and you you think like you're wishing that some divine intervention could come there and fix this situation by its own. The conflicts, the tension, you just can't take it. You want peace, in lot of peace here. Then we have the Devil. For what action your person plans on taking is the Knight of Swords and the Eight of Wands. Communication, and Knight of Swords is also communication. You're thinking logically uh, and trying to cut something off. The communication is regarding this Devil situation. The very feeling bound. Your person is like feeling there's attachment, there's a toxic attachment between you guys, and you need to talk, you need to cut something off, you need to communicate regarding this situation. And Seven of Cups in the uh, outcome, we have two cards, Ace of Swords and the Queen of Wands. Okay, Ace of Swords and Queen of Wands. You have choices here. You think you are like spoiled of choices, and but you want to give into this connection. You're like thinking, should I not? But the clarity is coming. Ace of Swords, clarity is coming towards you, and you will like you are not, you both are not taking any kind of decision. Lot of fights are going on, going within. Two of Swords. Yes, clarity will come. Divine is going to intervene in this connection and give you clarity with this choice, with this this is not a choice, this is to do or not to do, right? To do, move forward with this connection or not to go in further. This is a question like what do I do? And you're getting clarity. Ace of Swords and Queen of Wands is getting clarity, being you know what you're passionate about, and you need your peace of mind. The Star card, you have to come out of this codependent relationship or situation where you are stuck in, and clarity is coming, communication is coming. You need to talk to each other, Pisces, and that is how you will resolve it, with not talking to each other, not talking about the situation will just and increase the fights and conflicts. Whenever you talk, you have to you have to face the demon, you have to face the elephant in the room. This is what it's telling. Pisces, you can't have peace of mind as well as not unless you face this situation head on, you will not get the clarity. We'll ask for the advice from the universe. Spirits guides, universe, spirits guides, please give the advice for the Pisces. We have like attracts like. If you long for more love, be more loving. So you're holding back, not showing your love, so you're asked to be more loving. See as it fits, Pisces, you know exactly how it fits. Forgiveness, nothing is gained by holding on to past disappointments. This is a whole very disappointing situation for you, and you will have to forgive this rather than just continuing in the toxic situation. You have to forgive yourself, you have to forgive others and move forward. Okay, we'll pull out some romance angels, universe, spirits and guides. What does Pisces has to, what does Pisces have for you? Okay. We have two cards. let go of control issues, allow the situation to unfold naturally. That is what you're doing. You want the situation to unfold naturally, but you don't want to take any action. Worth waiting for. Divine timing is at work in your love life. Yes, divine timing is definitely in works. Ace of Swords, clarity is coming towards you, worth waiting for. If you have waited for this situation to clarify and come to a conclusion, you are definitely getting a conclusion and outcome from this situation. This, we'll pull out some magic cards for you. Okay, we already have 2 cards for Pisces. On target, follow your ideal life path. Whatever your ideal life path is, whatever you have in your mind, you have to follow it. Don't give in to the situations. Don't be hung up on a place where you are not happy, where you are not content. You have to find your life path and follow it. You have to make yourself, you have to make your priority, yourself your priority, rather than just sitting there and not working on it. It won't help you, Pisces. You have to be on target. Labyrinth, transition to a higher level of being, rising your energy vibration, enlightenment. Raise your energetic vibration and enlightenment. Lovely. Okay, Pisces, this was your reading for the rest of the month of October. We'll see you in the next one. Till then, all the best. Stay safe and healthy. Bye.